We went to Exton to learn about what they do on the shop floor.
Without the shop floor building those products, we wouldn't be able to ship products.
Biggest things are being able to read drawings, and also read a tape measure.
Being outgoing and willing to learn and step outside of your comfort zone. Communication and troubleshooting skills, just understanding what's affecting you, what affects somebody else in a similar work area.
Every morning we go over safety issues, and like I tell my guys, always stay focused, and I also tell them goal. Get out and look. All right, especially when we have a lot of units in the shop, we're driving a large forklift.
At this location, they made approximately 1,100 units in 2025.
It takes between 6 to 40 hours to build each unit, depending on the type.
I think the biggest thing is to get product out the door, is to, make as much as we possibly can in the quickest amount of time, but also at a very high quality, and that we can make things move smoothly through the plant.
So here is a brand new unit that's getting ready to head to a customer site. Before it leaves, we're going to do a final assembly inspection. So what I will do is I will look through the paperwork, the drawings. We have electrical drawings, and then we have an MRO sheet that tells us everything that should be on this unit. When a customer gets a new unit, they want it to look brand new. They don't want scratches, they don't want dents. And so what I'll do is I'll use my phone and I will just take pictures of the unit. And basically I'll do a final walk around the machine and just take pictures of everything to make sure there's no scratches or dents, paint chips, anything like that.
We now have 4 other regional offices as well as here in the Northeast, each one having the ability to function similar to what's going on here. What you guys saw before was our production floor. This is repair.
Well, I think it's pretty cool when I can get on a plane and I can look out the window and I can see our jet starter product starting up the plane that I'm about to fly on.
Seeing something on paper and then being able to fabricate it and build it from the ground up is pretty incredible.
See it from a quote request from a customer all the way to POs, to it coming in, to actually seeing the final product go out the door.
And also seeing, a finished product and sometimes seeing the customer with the product is pretty incredible, and being able to go, wow, I built that.